In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Substack. Whether you're a reader wanting to discover new content or a writer aiming to manage your newsletter, I'll guide you through each step. Let's start by addressing our readers first. Begin by heading over to www.substack.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the home page, a handy search bar welcomes you. Here, you can scroll through an array of intriguing topics that capture your interest or directly type in the name of specific newsletters you're looking for. This search feature is particularly useful for honing in on content that resonates with you, bridging the gap between you and writers from around the world. When you spot a newsletter that piques your curiosity, simply click on it. Doing so will lead you to the newsletter's public post area along with a brief description that offers a sample of the content. This approach is excellent for evaluating a writer's style and the subjects they cover before diving in deeper. If you find value in specific newsletters, consider subscribing. By subscribing, every new post will conveniently appear in your email inbox. It's truly that straightforward. For those who prefer to keep their inbox tidy, you can always adjust your notification settings to suit your preferences. For readers who are constantly on the go, the Substack app is a fantastic mobile-friendly option. Simply download the app from the App Store for iOS users or Google Play for those on Android. Once the app is installed, log in, and you'll be welcomed with a personalized feed highlighting all your subscribed newsletters. This feature keeps everything neatly organized, allowing you to access content anytime and anywhere you wish. Now, shifting gears a bit, if you're engaging with Substack from a writer's perspective, the process is equally straightforward. Start by navigating to substack.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, glance over to the top right of your screen, where you'll find the dashboard drop-down menu. Click on it, and a list of your publications will appear. Choose the publication that you want to work on. Upon selecting your publication, you'll land on your dashboard, acting as your command center. The dashboard is your hub for all things related to managing your newsletter. Here, you'll find your posts, drafts, subscriber information, and even your statistics. This platform is designed to help you stay organized and efficiently manage your publications, offering a clear overview of your writing journey. So there you have it, a detailed look into viewing Substack, whether you're a reader or a writer. With these steps, you can easily explore and manage the world of newsletters on Substack. Whether you're seeking inspiration or looking to share your own voice, Substack is a seamless platform connecting you with a global audience. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to explore all that Substack has to offer. Happy reading or writing!